Okay, so we can search for a specific website. Like I want to using Google like a pro. How can I ask Google about a website? This is a site search. Okay, I have to type site and then two dots. Okay, site, SITE, two dots, and let me type YouTube. YouTube. You know YouTube is spelling a great for.com. I'm asking Google to give me a link to YouTube, and I got this link. He gave me youtube.com. The first link always a great for the best one. Now I can open YouTube. Okay. So yeah, great for. I can ask Google also about Scratch. Scratch website. SCRATCH .mit.edu. Yes. The spelling? You want me to show you how I do it great for? I can show you from the keyboard how to type it. Those are two dots. Okay, great for. Like this. I type site SITE two dots, shift and two dots, scratch RATCH dot edu, sorry, dot MIT, the one who provides Scratch, dot edu, the domain is edu, educational. So I'm asking Google, give me a link, give me a website link to Scratch. I got the link from Google. Google helped me to open a Scratch website, so I can open a Scratch from here. High grade for. Any question? I want to do it now. Grade for. Please open a Scratch. Search about the website. Abdullah آية فاطمة لما محمد ياسر محمد مصعب منيب يوسف and زياد. What did you say يا منيب? Okay. Show me in Telegram please. Show me in Telegram your work. محمد ياسر ما شاء الله. Oh, we have a problem with the mic. You can write يا محمد ياسر, no problem. Show me your work in Telegram for. Yes يا يوسف. Anyone need help?